Stop. There. That was weird.
Did you feel like you saved Timmy?
No.
No, I feel like we ran Timmy and everyone else over.
Stop.
Again, the braking. It
Yeah.
started a bit too gentle. Then you were like, no, more.
Yeah.
Again, from the word go, you need that
Yeah.
pressure. Okay,
Okay.
much better. When you're ready, we'll move off.
Stop. That feels weird though. Stop.
Was that very much? When you're ready, please move off. Now, an examiner will say, I will not ask you to do that again because
Yeah.
they don't want you fearing for your life that they're going to ask you to do another one. That one was perfect.